everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to make this cute little earring, which I think is I like it, it's fun, and it goes with this bracelet. So we've just made this bracelet. I will link the tutorial for it in the description box below this video. But we're going to make this little earring to go along with it. Super quick and easy. But first, our encouraging word for today is don't tell people your dream, show them. All right. So if you want to make this little earring, you're going to need one eye pin. Well, you're going to need double of everything, obviously, but I've already made one, so we're going to make the second. We've got a fishhook ear wire. I have 2 of these daisy spacers from the Magical Mystery Bead Box for May of 2022. I have these little drops from the Magical Mystery Bead Box. I have one of these larger daisy spacers. And then I've got some lengths of this enamel chain that was also in the Magical Mystery Bead Box. And what I've done is I have cut this chain. And I'm going to show you here if I can get it to lay out correctly. Okay, I've cut 2 strands with 4 little links, 1 strand with 5, and 1 strand with 3. And I've made sure that on the tops of each one, it has this little loop. Okay, see how these go together? It's this, each one has a hole right here that hooks into the little loop. So I've made sure that I have the little loop sticking up on each one. And then I have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7 of the seashell Hishi beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, I need 9. Sorry. 9 of the Hishi beads from the Magical Mystery Bead Box. And these are shell. They're so pretty. So this is so easy, guys. We're going to go ahead and just do it. So you just want to open your eye pin. And I put this on first because if you don't, it can get a little difficult to get this little loop open when you've got all your beads already loaded onto your eye pin. So that's easier to do if you do it first. Okay, then I'm going to do 2 Hishi beads. This smaller daisy spacer. What do I have now? 3. I'm just trying to follow the same. So there's 3 more, and then the big one, and then the small one. 2 more. And now I'm going to put all my chains on. And it doesn't matter what order you do them in. I'm doing the 4, then I'll do the 5. It really doesn't matter. And then we'll do this 3 over here, because they kind of spin around this your pin anyway, but, and then I'll do this 4. Whoops. Okay, so once they're all on there like that, then you're going to take your next 2 Hishi beads. Okay, and now we're going to kind of push down, but not terribly hard, okay? You just kind of want it to be tight on there and not rolling around too much. And we're going to bend 90 degrees. We're going to make a wrapped loop. We're going to take our round nose pliers. We're going to go up and over, rotate them up and come under. And there's what we've got. We're going to grab our little loop with our chain nose pliers and wrap around 2 or 3 times. 1, 2 and a half, and that's probably good enough. And then I'm just going to cut this little snaggle off and just tuck it. Okay, I'll straighten up my loop there a little bit. And now I'm going to go ahead and open my fish hook and making sure that it's facing the right way, because you got your little dangle on here. I'm going to go ahead and slip it on there and close this up. Okay, and there you have a really cute, you can kind of space these out a little bit. They just kind of pop out to the side. They remind me of fireworks a little bit, but I think it's just very unique. I love this chain. So there you have a really cute little unique pair of earrings to go along with your beautiful shell bracelet. So here they are. Let's lay them down there. Whoops, that one's backwards. There we go. So there you have it. I think it makes a really cute set. I'm tempted to do a necklace. I may. We'll see if I come back with a necklace on this one. But I love this little earrings and bracelet set. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was short and sweet this time. If you're interested in subscribing to the Magical Mystery Bead Box, I will have a link in the description box below this video. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission. It doesn't cost you anymore, but I do get a small commission when you use it, and that just helps my channel. I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.